Meet the Russell Hobbs 3-tier electric food steamer, a sleek stainless steel and black marvel with a generous 7-litre capacity. Perfect for healthy meals, it features stackable BPA-free baskets, a handy rice bowl, a 60-minute timer, auto shut-off, and energy-saving 400 watts. Easy to clean and store, it makes healthy cooking simple and enjoyable. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a healthy, versatile way to cook your favorite meals? The Salter tier electric food steamer with a massive 7.5 litres capacity, steam vegetables, fish, rice and more all at once. With stackable BPA-free baskets, a 60-minute timer and energy-efficient power, it's quick, safe and easy to clean. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Ego Star, the tier electric food steamer, a versatile 12-litre powerhouse with 900 watts that cooks your meals quickly and evenly. Its 3 detachable baskets allow you to steam vegetables, rice and more simultaneously, perfect for healthy, low-fat cooking. Easy to refill, clean and packed with features, it's your go-to for nutritious family meals. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Bella 2-tier food steamer, a versatile 7.4 quart, about 7 litres and 400 millilitres appliance that cooks multiple dishes simultaneously, perfect for vegetables, fish, meats or rice. With stackable baskets, an easy water level indicator, and safety features like auto shut-off and boil dry protection, it's fast, healthy and super convenient. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Morphy Richards 3-tier food steamer, a fantastic kitchen gadget with a huge 9-litre capacity and stainless steel design. It heats up instantly, has a clear water gauge, and a 60-minute timer with a bell to perfectly time your meals. Collapsible for easy storage, healthy, tasty, and super convenient. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Tefal Ultra Compact Steam Cooker. With a generous 9-litre capacity and a smart 3-tier stackable design that cooks entire meals in one go. Perfect for family dinners or meal prep. Its BPA-free bowls, 60-minute timer, and refill while steaming feature make healthy, nutrient-rich dishes like fish, veggies and rice effortless. Plus, it's easy to store thanks to its ultra-compact, stackable system. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Tefal VC1451 Steam Cooker, a practical and affordable way to enjoy healthy, delicious meals. With 2 stackable stainless steel containers holding up to 6 litres, a 60-minute timer, and automatic shut-off, you can cook effortlessly while checking water levels easily. Its compact design saves space, making healthy cooking a breeze. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.